So about a week and a half ago, I showcased this backdrop, which is a 7x4 3D arch backdrop. In this multi-part video, I'm going to share exactly the step-by-step on how to build it. So it started out in 8x4 rectangular backdrop, and after removing the vinyl, I then turned the board over face down and started to mark out everything. Because this backdrop is 4 feet wide and the internal width is 28 inches, the two sides are 10 inches wide. So the first step was to measure out the 10 inches. And once that was marked out on both of the sides, I then began to work on the overall height of the backdrop. And for this is 7 feet long. And I measured it out. And once I was finished with that, I then began to work on the cut. And in total, I cut off 1 foot off the length of the board. When making my cuts, I do use a straight edge. You will also notice I am using a circular saw. And I like to use painter's tape to reduce the tear out. Once I cut off the 1 foot of the board, I then started working on the inner arch. And because the width is 28 inches, you will want the radius of the pin to the outer end of the bit to be 14 inches. So let me know what questions you have so far and stay tuned for the remaining parts of this build.